Okay guys, now let's continue with the liability of owner and dealer for misrepresentations. Okay, for the subtopic of protection of hirers in regards to the implied terms, okay, implied conditions and warranties. So these implied terms are similar to SOGA. Okay, so you can read by yourself. Yang membezakan is the provision. Okay, continue with the next subtopic under misrepresentations. Okay, how we determine the misrepresentation done by the owner or the dealer. What are the liabilities? What of their liabilities? Whether the hirer can get compensation or can sue for damages or not. Okay, as the result of the misrepresentation. Okay, so based on section 8, subsection 1A of the Act, provides that if the owner had made a misrepresentation, okay, if the owner had made a misrepresentation in the course of the negotiations leading to the hire purchase agreements, the hirer has the right to rescind the agreement and sue for damages. Okay, so the first situations is the owner himself, okay, made the misrepresentation. So hirer has right to rescind, means that hirer has right to terminate the contract and then can sue for compensation. Okay, so the provision is further extends to the situations where misrepresentation made by the dealer's employee who has induced the hirer to enter into the agreement, and the hirer has the right to rescind the agreements as against the owner and has the right to sue for damages as against the dealer. So sama juga, if the dealer's employee made the misrepresentations, so hirer can terminate the agreement against the owner and then can claim compensation against the dealer. Okay. Okay, what is the example of misrepresentation? Okay, for example, let's say you go to second hand car shop, okay, and then you are interested to buy one car there, okay, and the dealers explain to you, provide you descriptions that okay, the car is in good conditions, okay, and later when you sign the hire purchase agreement, you discover that the car was not in good condition. So kat situ dah ada false statement represented by the dealer in order to induce you to enter into the hire purchase agreement. So in that situation you boleh claim. Okay, first you can claim against the owner, okay, because you can terminate the agreement, and then you can claim against the dealer to claim the compensation. Okay, based on section 8 subsection 1B of the Hire Purchase Act, if the dealer had made a misrepresentation which leads to hire purchase agreement, the hirer has the right to sue for damages. Okay, so hirer can claim compensation. Okay, and then based on section 8 subsection 2, any term in hire purchase agreement or other document which purports to exclude, limit or modify the rights of the hirer given in section 1 is void. Okay, what does it means by this provision? Okay, meaning that, okay, let's say the hire purchase agreement formed by the owner, and then it include one clause by stating that okay, the hirer cannot claim any compensation or termination of the contract if there is a misrepresentation. Maksudnya kat sini, kalau ada misrepresentation, okay, that resulted into the hire purchase agreement, hirer cannot claim. So kalau lah ada this clause in hire purchase agreement, so the hire purchase agreement is void because okay, it exclude the liability of the dealer and the owner. So siapa yang akan suffer loss? The hirer. So this law is aimed to protect the hirer. Okay, based on section 8, subsection 3, owner who suffers any loss, damage as a result of misrepresentation of dealer or dealer's agent is entitled to be indemnified by the dealer. So since owner tak buat any misrepresentation tapi yang buat adalah dealer or dealer's agents, so when the hirer decided to terminate the agreement, so owner will suffer loss. So owner can claim loss or damage from the dealer or dealer's agent. And last but not least, under section 36, it is an offence for a dealer, agent or person acting on behalf of the owner who prepares an agreement or offer in writing to knowingly include a false statement or a representation that is false in any material particular. So if there is a misrepresentation done by the owner, dealer or agent acting on their behalf, so they are liable for an offence under section 36. Okay, so that's all about the liability of owner and dealer for misrepresentation. Next video, we continue with the statutory rights of hirer.